Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create animated lines in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Go to the Fusion page, select your clip and click Fusion at the bottom. Click Background, Shift plus Space, search Background, Add. Set the alpha to 0. Inspector, Background. Drag alpha to 0. Add a paint node. Shift plus Space, search Paint, Add. In the inspector, select the stroke brush and draw your line. Under Stroke Controls, enable Right On, then animate the end slider from 0 to 1 over time. Go back to the Edit page. Your animated line is now ready. And that is everything you need to know about how to create animated lines in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.